Good morning, folks. Frank Zorrilla here, Zor Capital. Want to do a quick video just to show you what I'm watching today for potential new swing trades. Here's my list here. I got a much longer list, but I'm trying to narrow down the universe and then just put some other miscellaneous stocks there later. But I'm looking at VSTM, something that we flagged the other day. We got long right over here. It was down 4 days in a row, and it changed the pattern up today. I'm looking to add. I nibbled right over here at 902, and I'm looking to add once it breaks 924. The stock has been trading sideways for the most part for the last, call it, 3 to 4 months after a big gap on some positive FDA, some positive news as far as their breakthrough drug or technology. FNJN, it's a stock that we bought here a while ago, did well. It's been pulling back. I like the stock going through 418. In a situation like this, more than likely, if I get the opportunity at the open, I'm putting a buy stop at 4.25 with a stop at $4 a share. EOLS, we flagged this one on the 28th, I believe, at 2045. Had a monster run. The stock has been consolidating. It looks real good. I like the stock going through 24.79. In a situation like this, I'm putting a buy stop at 24.89 and a stop at 23.80. If you look at the 30-minute time frame, it looks okay. It's digesting the gains. It had a big move. It's digesting the gains, and now what we're looking for is, the first hint of this little pattern of lower highs and lower lows to change to get involved. ANDV, it's an oil stock. The oil stocks had a nice move yesterday due to what's going on with the hurricane. Nice. I hate the name calling of charts, but cup and handle. Bottom line is the stock hasn't done much for the last few months. It was down 4 days in a row. Up yesterday. I like the stock going through 155.50 with a stop at 152. MPC, something we flagged yesterday and actually bought as well. Very similar looking chart to ANDV that we just saw. I bought this stock going through this high 83.10. I got long at 83.24. I'm looking to add if it gets through 83.85 and raise my stop all the way here to 81.70. Dish is something that I've been buying, that I bought a couple of times already, and bought here and here, lost both times. The stock is still holding up. It just doesn't have much momentum, but it's holding up, trading sideways for 9 months. Here you see the stock is in tremendous decline. The sellers had complete control of the stock. Here they found, buyers found a level of value. Either that and or the sellers ran out of supply. So I like the stock going through 35.08. What I'm going to do with this one is very simply, I'm going to take less size and give it more room to run. BE, it's a fairly new IPO. It's a volatile name, printed an inside day. I like the stock going through 29.54 with a stop right over here at 27.36. You look at the 30-minute chart, it looks a little bit better, but this one you have to size correctly because again it is a volatile name. JG, another fairly new IPO, printed almost an inside day. I like the stock going through 8.25. These IPOs, for the most part, what they tend to do is they get hit really hard, and then out of the blue, they just catch a little momentum burst, and they'll go up for a few days. For example, if you look at PDD, similar situation where it takes a nosedive, and then it sets up, and then it goes. Sono, before their numbers, was somewhat similar right over here. So either way, trade them well and be well.